If I owned this home, these are the 3 places you'd always find me. First, here in the dining room. From this seat, I have gorgeous views of the gardens, the evergreen territorial views, and most importantly, the 1930s charms everywhere. The builder did an extensive remodel, yet was able to keep all the finishes of the 1930s. They added premium fixtures, premium appliances, and modern day conveniences. All, again, while keeping the charm, like the niches throughout, the oversized archway that we have here between the dining room and the living room. And most importantly, in my opinion, the coved ceilings in the dining room and in the living room. And now, the second place you'd always find me is outside in the gardens. The large outdoor spaces in the front, or through this kitchen right here, we're going to check out the backyard. And on your ginormous 9,000 square foot lot, we've got plenty of space to garden in the front and plenty of space to garden in the back. We have a barbecue deck here and an extra patio to hang out on. And pro tip, we have Dwayne's a couple blocks away, and that's where you can pick up gardening supplies. And all year round, we have fresh produce there. Nice big lawn to play and to practice your golf game at. And that's the third place you always find me at, is across the street at the golf club. The Rainier Golf and Country Club is Seattle's oldest private golf and country club. It's well known to be the driest 18 holes in soggy Seattle. Plus, there's another course only a few blocks up the road. It's historical, Glen Acres Golf and Country Club. What's special about that is that it has skyline views. The country clubs aren't the only things that this home is convenient to. We're only 11 minutes from CenturyLink and T-Mobile, 12 minutes from SLU and downtown, 7 minutes from the airport, and 19 minutes from downtown Bellevue. So have your broker show you this home anytime, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., or come by to our many open houses.